Welcome to the presentation Ideal Audience for mLearning Courses. Before we move further, let us understand the reasons for the sudden spurt in the usage of smartphones. We conducted a survey in our organization, and found that more than 90% of our employees use smartphones for communication, mobile banking and entertainment. Smartphones are ideal tools of communication, because these devices are ideal to send and receive emails, SMS, and MMS. Smartphones are also very useful to conduct banking transactions. We can make payments to utilities, and perform other activities using these devices. We can entertain ourselves by watching videos, listening to music and playing games, using smartphones. Now let us look at the typical audience for mLearning courses in an organizational context. You can use mLearning to impart excellent training to field staff comprising of salespeople, personnel of channel partners and employees providing technical and commercial services. This medium of training can also be used to train other employees, who have smartphones. Also, customers and senior officials can be trained effectively, using mLearning. The primary target audience for mLearning courses is the field staff. Personnel, who are constantly on the move, such as salespeople, employees of channel partners like wholesalers and retailers, and technical and commercial service staff can have access to information at any point of time. This goes a long way in making business processes quicker. mLearning can also be used to effectively train staff members, who have smartphones and are not involved in field operations. mLearning is the ideal medium to share information with customers using bite-sized information nuggets. We can use these to send reminders to our customers, and to update them about our products. We can also use mLearning to efficiently train customers on our products. Senior officials seldom find time to attend training sessions. mLearning helps these time-starved personnel to use their time optimally, as they can access courses whenever and wherever they want. Learning can now take place, even when employees are on the move. Now let's look at some delivery formats, which are suitable for mLearning. They are PDF files, podcasts, videos, presentations, images. To summarize, there are 4 types of audience that can benefit the most from mLearning courses. They are field personnel, other employees, customers and senior officials. To learn more about how to implement mLearning in organizations, here is an ebook on mLearning implementation in organizations. To read more article on the same topic, visit blog.comlabindia.com. Thank you.